can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the
nooy munting batang inaakay, inaalala ang bawat paghakbang. Ngayon'y nakatayo sa aking mga paa. Salamat aking nanay, aking tatay. Wala akong sapat na salita. Walang katumbas sa inyong pag-aruga. Ngayong kayo'y matanda nang hina. Ako naman ngayon ang dapat mag-alaga. Kayo ba'y aalalayan at kahit hindi? Pag lumuluhay, patatahanin. Babantayan kung may sakit, dadampian ang nunang halik. At kapag gabi ay malamig, iyayakapin din ng mahigpit. Ipapanalangin at kukumutan ng pag-ibig. Tanda ko ang hirap ninyo sa akin. Puyat, pagod, lungkot ay tiniis. Hindi ko malilimutan. Walang kapantay niyong pag-ibig. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sa puso't isip ko'y nakatanim. Sa aking sambahay ay padarama ko rin. Walang katumbas niyong pag-ibig. Aking mga anak ay akayin din. Pag lumuluhay, patatahanin. Babandayan kung may sakit, dadampian ang nunang halik. At kapag gabi ay malamig, iyayakapin din ng mahigpit. Ipapanalangin at kukumutan ng pag-ibig.
I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just talk a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart. And everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away. Sunday mornings were your favorite. I used to meet you down on Woods Creek Road. You did your hair up like you were famous, even though it's only church where we were going. Now, Sunday mornings I just sleep in. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at the God I don't know if I believe in, 'cause I don't know what else I can do. I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. Now you're in the stars and 6 feet never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a million different reasons, you took the best of my heart and left the rest in pieces. Digging through your old birthday letters, a crumpled 20 still in the box. I don't think that I could ever find a way to left the rest in peace.
Ang bintana ng mundo, hawiin mo ang lumbay ng puso ko. O kay sarap mabuhay sa piling mo, magkayakap, magkasiping hanggang matapos ang awit ko.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay uhaw na damdamin. Halika rito, yakapin mo ako at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap
At buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin.
Halika rito, yakapin mo ako.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin.
Halika rito, yakapin mo ako at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap,
At buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin.
Halika rito, yakapin mo ako.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, buksan mo ang bintana ng mundo, hawiin mo ang lumbay ng puso ko. O kay sarap mabuhay sa piling mo, magkayakap, magkasiping hanggang matapos ang awit ko.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay uhaw na damdamin. Halika rito, yakapin mo ako at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap,
At buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin.
Halika rito,
init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin.
Halika rito, yakapin mo ako, at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own.
Happy birthday, Tay! Enjoy this special day that we have prepared for you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Let us all welcome the birthday celebrant himself. A big hand for Mr. Jesse David Bulaon.
Gaya po ng pinagpapanatan ninyo, hilingin po natin na sana bigyan po kayo ng mahabang buhay ng ating mga po. Bigyan po kayo ng payapa at masayang puso. Mahal po namin kayo, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lea, at sana mabuhay ka ng matagal na view.
Happy birthday ta nga, salamat king gabay at payo mo. Sana din na nakapang makabang biyaning ning ama at si kanakatawan para akabay na pati yung malambat na panahon. Enjoy mo yung biye mo, yakapay stress ka na ako. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy Tang. Wish ko sa iyo ngayong birthday mo, sana bigyan ka pa o pahiramin ka pa ng buhay ng may kapal. At tuloy lang ang laban. Mahal na mahal kita, Daddy.
Tay, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon ng birthday mo. Na ano man yung datang kaya kata mo, kayang-kaya natin lahat yan, basta't sama-sama tayo. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin, at ako, ano man ang mangyari, nasa likod mo lang ako. Ako ang mag-aalaga sa'yo hanggang sa wakas ng iyong buhay. Happy birthday, Tay. I love you.
Happy birthday, darling. Balo ko, nakatandera ng pagsubok. Sakit ka, lalo na ka ng anak mo. Sana ko mabibigay mo. At ka pasaan ito yung birthday mo. At yun yung problema ngayon. Nakasalapat ka rin anak.
Ikaw sa babae.
Awayin mo ang lumbay ng puso ko. Ay isa mabuhay sa piling mo. Magkayakap, magkasipig hanggang matapos ang awit ko.
Init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay, mahaw na damdamin, halika rito, ialawin mo ako.
Ako na lang kakanta, hindi kasi pwede kay Kendra yun, ay kay Chloe.
Ang
Bintana ng puso ko. Ikaw, Daddy.
at buksan mo
Ang bintana ng puso ko. Ikaw na, Daddy.
Init ng iyong yakap. Naghihintay.
Uhaw na damdamin.